Welcome to COL Financial's video orientation of our website. This video will assist you to navigate through the different features and tools that you can use to invest successfully in stocks. Once you have opened an account, your login details will be sent to your email. This email will contain your COL account number, also known as your username, and a default password. Simply input this information in the login entry form of our website to access your COL account. After logging in, the first thing you will have to do is to update your personal account information to see if all your details are correct. Click on the Change Profile button in your Home tab and review all of your information. Modify your details if there are any changes to be made to your profile. Don't forget to double-check your email address, as most of our important updates and company announcements will be sent to you via email. If everything is in order, we recommend that you change your password to ensure the security of your account. Click on the Edit button beside the password field in the Change Profile setting and input the default password that was provided to you. Type in a new password twice to finalize the change. Remember that your new password should have a minimum of 4 characters and a maximum of 8. Having numerical values in your password can make it more secure. Once you are done, click the Change Password button. This will log you out of your COL account so that you can re-log in using your new password. Upon accessing the COL homepage, you will notice that we have 5 tabs in your toolbar categorized under Home, Quotes, Trade, Research, and Street Smart. Clicking on Home will take you back to the main overview of your portfolio and the Philippine stock market. Here you will find an integrated ticker and an update on the different market indices. The ticker reflects the latest trades being transacted real-time, and the index header shows you how the various sectors are performing for that day. Red would indicate a downward movement in price, while green would indicate that prices are up for the day. This will give you a general overview of how the entire Philippine stock market is performing based on the 30 stocks chosen by the PSE to represent the index. The main section of the homepage is a combination of the personalized dashboard, a list of the latest research reports and company announcements, a quote generator, and an interactive tab browser of the most recent market activity. Your personalized dashboard is a snapshot of the updated total equity value of your account and reflects your current day change to show you the difference in your portfolio from the previous trading day. For a quick quote check, simply type in any stock code listed in the PSE in the quotes generator to get a brief summary of what's happening with a particular company. COL prides itself on the expert analysis of our research team, and it's important to keep yourself well informed on the stocks that you're investing in. So make sure to read up on the fundamental and technical analysis reports that we churn out on a daily basis. It's also advisable to check the announcements section regularly for any company updates, urgent news, or website maintenance schedules that we publish for the reference of our customers. Finally, the interactive tab list summarizes the most active stocks by value, the top gainers and losers, the changes of selected global indices, and all the current stocks in your portfolio. You can click on any code to link you directly to an expanded review in the quotes page. Taking a look at the quotes section, you'll be able to access real-time market information regarding any company listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Quotes are one of the most important tools of an investor because it shows you the current share value of any company that you are looking to invest in. And from there, you'll have an idea of how many shares you can purchase with your initial capital. Once you input the stock code of a company that you would like to review, you will be immediately shown its current market value, the bid and ask columns, as well as the volume of trades waiting to be transacted in the market for that stock. The bid column shows you the different prices of which potential buyers are willing to purchase a share of that company. So in our example, the most expensive price for one share of BDO that an individual is willing to buy is $72.30. This table shows you that one investor would like to buy a combined amount of 30 shares at this price. The ask column, on the other hand, reflects the number of shares that investors are willing to sell at the specified prices. Again, in our example, one investor would like to sell a combined amount of 680 shares at $72.35. The table to the right of your screen reflects the important market information of the stock in review. Here you will see the closing share value of the stock from the previous day, the current market value, the difference between those two prices, and other significant details that will give you an idea of how well the stock has been performing. This table also indicates the board lot of the stock, which defines the incremental number of shares that you will need to purchase in order to invest in that company. For example, if the current board lot of a stock reads 10, that means you will need to buy shares of that stock in multiples of 10. So you can only buy 10, 20, 30 shares, or so on and so forth. There are three notable tools under the Quotes tab. The first is the watch list, which allows you to input as many as 30 stock codes to see a consolidated summary of the performance of each stock. You'll be able to view the price movements for the stocks that you wish to monitor all at the same time, as the codes automatically update along with the transactions being placed in the market. The six-pack shows you a more detailed perspective of the stocks that you are monitoring. Input the stock codes and the six-pack will instantly refresh the data for you. You may also categorize the codes under different tabs according to your preference. For example, if you want to segment the stocks according to industries, you simply have to go to My Settings in the home page and input the tab names in the corresponding fields such as banks, property, consumer, and so on. Don't forget to always save your preferences. One of the most powerful tools of the COL Financial website is the charting system. Past prices of the stocks are illustrated into charts that assist users in studying their previous trends and market activity. This allows analysts to predict potential price movements and to make more calculated and informed decisions with regards to their trading. Charting is a complex but highly useful tool for many stock traders. If you wish to understand more about how to use stock charts to your investment advantage, COL Financial offers a seminar on technical analysis. You can register through our website under Investor Education. Let's review the Trade tab in your navigation bar. Now that you've properly assessed the stocks that you would like to invest in, it's time to execute a trade. Under the Enter Order option, you will be asked to fill out the order details of the trade that you would like to make. Indicate whether you would like to buy shares of a stock or sell your existing shares. We recommend that you follow the minimum board lot rule as explained earlier, so for this example, we will maintain the default option to buy or sell shares under the main board. Next, input the stock code that you would like to trade. If you are not familiar with stock codes, click on the Stock Code button to bring up the stock list for you to choose from. A quote summary will appear to show you the exact price that the stock is currently trading at. Now input the number of shares you would like to buy and at what price. Once all the fields are complete, the system will automatically calculate the net amount that you will be spending to invest in that stock. Click Preview Order to see your order details, enter your password, and click Place Order Buy or Sell to confirm your transaction. It's that easy. Now that you've entered your order, you want to double check whether the transaction was done or a buyer or seller matched the price that you were asking for. You can do so under the View Modify Order option. Our example order is still listed here as you can see, which means that the transaction has not yet been matched. Here you can change the number of shares that you wish to purchase by clicking on Change. Or if you would like to simply cancel the order and make a new one, click Cancel and confirm with your password. For our example, we'll cancel this order and make a new one with a price that matches the lowest price in the Ask column. That way, we'll be able to immediately purchase shares and invest in the company that we like. If you don't see your order under the View Modified tab, then that means your trade was fully executed. To double-check the transaction, go to Trading History and click on the completed trades for the day. Your transaction should appear under this option. Finally, let's take a look at your portfolio. Here you will see your cash balance, which you can use to buy stock shares, all the current stocks of which you are a shareholder of, the current market price, the average cost that you spent per share, and the total amount of shares that you own. The uncommitted shares simply indicate the number of shares in your portfolio that are not already committed to be sold in an existing order you have placed. You may also view the current market value of your shares and the gain-loss values and percentage of those stocks. Please take note that these are net amounts and figures. If you would like to see a detailed summary of your executed trades and portfolio activity, you can view your current or historical monthly account ledger up to 1 year. We make sure to keep a record of the transactions of our COL customers available for your reference 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Successful investing requires reliable and timely research reports, which is one of the many products that COL offers to our customers. Under the Research tab, you will be able to view all the expert views and analysis that our research team publishes in our platform on a daily basis. This includes an examination of daily local and global economic issues and events that may affect our current market conditions, company reports, outlooks, and announcements. If you're unsure of what stocks you would like to invest in and would like some assistance from our COL analysts, you can go to Fundamentals and click on the Investment Guide to see all of the stocks listed in the PSE that our research covers. Here you can read through our recommendations whether to buy, sell, or hold, and our estimated target prices or fair values for these companies. For those who are more familiar with technical analysis, you can go to Technicals to view the technical guide, which is updated regularly with stock recommendations based on the trending patterns of their prices. One of the most useful features of our website is our Street Smart section, which contains all our media files available for you to view or download. One of the most important services that COL provides to our customers is our market outlook, which we conduct semi-annually to give COL investors our expert analysis on the current market condition and how we feel the local and global markets will perform over a period of the next 6 months. These outlooks are all recorded and uploaded into our website and YouTube channel for customers who are unable to attend our events. You may also find educational reading material on stocks, such as the PSE Primer on basic stock investing, available for you to download under the Street Smart tab. Thank you for taking the time to view our orientation video. If you wish to learn more about COL's online trading platform or our products and services, please feel free to call our hotline at 6515888 or visit our website at www.colfinancial.com.